I have some fun videos for you guys to watch. I really like the support. It's tedious, going through all of that process, trying to get people to like your video and stuff. But I'm up to the task. So thanks again for liking, subscribing to my first videos. I'm trying my best to, make it look professional, but it's a continuous work in progress. But I just want to say, enjoy the few clips. There's a funny clip at the end. I hope you enjoy it. I'm just putting a twist to it, being original and all, So enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and share it to all your friends, family. Just enjoy this. I'm just sharing my story pretty much. So thanks again to everybody. Touch up. Get him. Get in the cold food. Get in there. Cold food. Hello, Niki. Say hello to everybody. Yeah. Say my trouble, Niki. You see her face? See her face? She's tired. Niki, tell everybody you say hello to me. You see her face? Tell everybody.
What?
Say I have a huge crush on her.
Really?
I'm a drum this.
Yeah. I think it's special, it's behind your back. Yeah. So turn around and I'll pick up the slack. Yeah. Take 'em to the bridge. Dirty babe. You see these shackles, baby, on this slave.
Alright, here are people. Feel idle. So I go run up and down in a Walmart. Probably thief something. Don't tell nobody still, you see me? But here I go. Just park up and thing. I just say we can run up and down in a Walmart little. And I want to feel if I buy one of them there. One of them little scooter. You see the little scooter? I feel like for just run up and down in a Walmart right now. One thing. Forward with me. Walk up and down with people in Walmart. Probably just ask people random question and see what they might think. Alright. I look 2 number too, Look 2 number for 2 more bridging them. I don't know I get none of trouble already. Coming in? So
Thank you.
You're welcome. See, you have to be a gentleman, you have to be courteous.
Thank you.
You understand? Take care of lady them on the road. So yeah. People, me have a situation. Help me for understand this, cause me not get it, right? You have to fill a prescription, right? Me get a card, and the card say you get up to 75% off. A prescription, right? Get up to 75% off. Right? My prescription come to $80 US, right? Set up a monkey them, and I say, alright, them work out the maths. Me I say, alright, 75% at 80. Carry 20 to the left. To the left, right? Yeah. 0.75 times 80. Right? I'm work out that I'm next when worked out, and I may say, alright, then that sound like probably $60. Somewhere in them range, right? $60 off. To 75% at $80. At $60 off, so $20 me I pay. So I say, yeah man, this worth it. I come to Bam now and I see the people them have a little funny look. You see them over there and them look on the machine, and I see them call over somebody else and them type up there 2-3 minutes long. I'm there and me I talk to me, because I'm there on a phone call with my friend. And I say, wait there, you check out the maths and everything, yeah man. Pay for the prescription. So I say, alright then, I'm ready to pay for the prescription, right? Bam. The lady come back to the counter with a straight face. You only get 5 cents off. 5 cents off. At $80. Right? So me I say, where the 75%? All comes at 5 cents Remember, you know people, $80. Right? $80. 75%. I'm supposed to $60. How comes a 5 cents off? Tell me now, what kind of foolishness that? Why not go write on a piece of paper? Oh, 75% off a prescription at any pharmacy in the US. Right? And then you give people 5 cents off at $80. That makes sense? That don't make no sense to me. People, see the foolishness? I don't understand them people here. Healthcare in the US so expensive. I don't understand. Explain to me. You're up. I'm gone.